Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the term alienation. Introduction. Alienation, as defined by Karl Marx in his economic and philosophical manuscripts in 1844, refers to a specific historical condition in which individuals experience a profound separation from nature, other human beings, and particularly the products of their labor. This condition is seen as an inherent feature of capitalist society, where the labor process becomes a source of estrangement rather than fulfillment. For Marx, alienation is not just an economic phenomenon, but a fundamental distortion of human existence and potential. Historical and philosophical context. Marx's concept of alienation has its roots in the broader philosophical traditions of German idealism, particularly the work of Hegel. For Hegel, alienation was a stage in the dialectical process of self-objectification where spirit or Geist objectifies itself in nature and then overcomes this alienation by returning to itself. Hegel viewed this as a necessary and ultimately positive aspect of the process of self-realization. However, Marx's interpretation diverged significantly. Marx's critique of capitalism. Marx viewed alienation as a consequence of the evolution of division of labor, private property, and the state. In his analysis, these elements of capitalist society result in the individual experiencing the objective world as an assemblage of alien forces that stand over and above them. This is particularly evident in the labor process, where workers are alienated from the product of labor. Workers do not own what they produce. Instead, the products of their labor belong to the capitalists. The act of production. The labor process is controlled and directed by others, reducing the worker to a mere appendage of the machine, their own species being. Labor under capitalism is not an expression of human creativity but a means of survival, thereby estranging workers from their human essence. Other human beings. Competitive labor markets and class divisions foster alienation between individuals. Overcoming alienation. Marx believed that alienation could only be overcome through the revolutionary abolition of the economic system based on private property. This entails the establishment of a communist society where the means of production are communally owned and labor as an expression of human creativity and cooperation rather than a means of exploitation. Alienation in sociology and existentialism. Beyond Marx, the concept of alienation has been central to various sociological and existential theories. Max Weber, for instance, highlighted the individual's sense of helplessness in a disenchanted world dominated by rational, bureaucratic, and impersonal institutions. Existentialist philosophers like Heidegger and Sartre viewed alienation not as a symptom of specific historical conditions but as an intrinsic part of human existence. For them, alienation reflects the individual's perpetual struggle to find meaning in a world that often appears indifferent or hostile. Alienation in psychology. The notion of alienation has also permeated psychological discourse, where it is associated with feelings of powerlessness, meaninglessness, and social isolation. Psychologists have explored how modern life, with its rapid technological changes and shifting social norms, contributes to individuals' sense of alienation from themselves and others. Conclusion. Marx's theory of alienation remains a powerful framework for understanding the profound disconnection individuals can feel in modern society. While rooted in the critique of capitalism, the concept has been adapted and expanded across various disciplines, reflecting its enduring relevance in examining the human condition. So this was the discussion on the term alienation. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.